Are you looking to use LinkedIn to market your business? Stay tuned because today I'm going to give you the strategy, the tools, and the tips that you need to be able to launch an effective LinkedIn marketing campaign. Hey, I'm Amy Walker, Client Acquisition Specialist. My favorite thing in life is helping you find the simplest path to acquire your dream clients. And today I'm excited because we're talking about one of my favorite platforms. If you have been on the channel for a while, you know how much I love LinkedIn. Like, me and Sales Navigator have a relationship. I love LinkedIn. I love all that it's got in there. It's a very robust platform. I love the algorithms. There's a lot of good stuff about it. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get notified each time I release new content. And feel free to check out the LinkedIn playlist if you want to learn more of the ins and outs of the platform. So to kick off our video today, here's what we're really going to cover. Number one, why is it a great platform for your business and how is it different from some of the other platforms in terms of social media marketing, paid advertising, and tools that they have built into the platform. So we'll talk about why LinkedIn. Second, I'm going to show you how I've used LinkedIn to feed some of my other marketing campaigns and strategies. And third, I'm going to give you my LinkedIn strategy playbook so that you can really come up with how you're going to customize and use LinkedIn to grow and market your business. So let's jump right in. First thing is, I really do want to sell the platform to you because it's an amazing platform. The first thing that I love about it is it definitely has the best algorithms. So I could take the same post, I could put it on Facebook, I could put it on Instagram, I could put it on YouTube in the text section, I could put it on LinkedIn, and hands down, LinkedIn will always get the most views, the most visibility, and close to the most comments. The place I'm going to get the most comments is on my Facebook personal page, but if I compare business page to LinkedIn, LinkedIn's going to win every single time. That algorithm is just really, really friendly. The other thing that I love about LinkedIn is it's like super chill. A lot of the platforms, they want you to be regular contributors. Like if I miss a week in YouTube, I notice that the following week my numbers are down. If I'm on Instagram, like I've got to be in there pretty regularly, like daily, or my numbers go down. LinkedIn doesn't care. LinkedIn's like, oh cool, you showed up, you haven't been here for a month, let me show your content to the world. Oh, so it's, inconsistent every other week? Okay, your content's good, people like it, show it to everybody. So their algorithm isn't as much based on consistency as it is on quality and how people like and engage what you're doing. So if you know that you're not somebody who wants to really dedicate themselves to a platform and being on all the time, you can still win on LinkedIn, which is fabulous for us. So I love the algorithm. Second reason I love the platform is because it's one of the easiest ones to build a following on. You can proactively reach out to people and request a connection with them. And it's not like some other platforms where if you have more people that you've requested than people that have requested you, then it messes up your algorithm. It doesn't work that way. It's more like how Facebook works with personal friend requests. You can send as many as you want, and then you just have access to more people. So it's a really easy platform to build a following, and it doesn't take any kind of celebrity status. It just takes strategy and having a good reach out script and connecting with the right people. The third thing that I love about LinkedIn is that you can actually find targeted connections. So you can reach out to people who are specifically who you want to do business with, and that's awesome. Fourth thing I love about LinkedIn is the Sales Navigator. I mean, I love it. I really love it a lot. It's an add-on to the LinkedIn platform. It allows you to be able to go in and do customized searches to find like a pool of targeted leads for you, and then you can reach out and connect with those people. So it's a great prospecting tool that I feel like gives the platform so much more value when you're wanting to market your campaigns. And the fifth thing that I really like about LinkedIn is it's good for video repurposing. Facebook is not so much good for video repurposing because when I take a link from a YouTube video and I put it on Facebook, Facebook doesn't particularly like that link. And so they minimize the visibility that I get. Whereas when I put it into LinkedIn, they're like, cool, a link from YouTube, no big thing. And they show it to people. So it's great for video repurposing. So for all those reasons and probably many more, I really love the platform of LinkedIn. I want to share with you how I use this in my marketing campaigns. Number one, it's my go-to place for finding partners, joint venture partners. So if you follow me and you're in part of my email list, you know that once a quarter I put on a big old summit. The focus is different each time. This year we've done a summit on visibility for your business. We've done a Women's Success Summit. We are just about to do our Pipeline Summit, which is how to fill your pipeline for sales and marketing. And then we're going to do another one at the end of the year on scaling your business. So that's where I go to find all of my partners. Those partners and that event brings me at least 1,000 leads per quarter. Plus, I turn a lot of those partners into affiliates who then help me fill my events, and it really is a big sales generator for me. So using LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find those people and then being able to reach out through the platform is something that has been really, really good for us. LinkedIn's also a great tool for prospecting and being able to find your ideal clients. I definitely research for podcast guests on there. Another way that I've used LinkedIn in my marketing is just to be able to go on and like make a video, make a post, sharing, my free LinkedIn ebook or sharing my sales and marketing scorecard assessment and talking about it. Because LinkedIn is so friendly with their algorithm and their visibility, if I start a conversation around a freemium that I have, I'm going to get more views, I'm going to get more engagement, and I'll have more people that will opt in and actually take that quiz. One other thing that I like about LinkedIn is that it's not so polarized as some of the other platforms. So there's not as much politics, there's not as much contention on there, there's not as much I'm over here and you're over here. So when I go on and post something and people leave comments, I'll send them a message and say, hey, thanks so much for commenting on my article. I'd love to hear more about what you do. And it actually starts a real conversation. And so I find that out of all the platforms, I generate more quality conversations from LinkedIn than I do from other places. Now, I mentioned that I would love to give you my full LinkedIn playbook. I actually have an ebook that is designed to help you get your LinkedIn profile set up and looking good, and then shares with you some strategies and ways that you can use the platform. So if you would like to get that for free, go ahead and download my LinkedIn Sales Playbook. And I would love to hear from all of you. Are you currently on LinkedIn and using the platform, and what features do you love? Are you currently on LinkedIn but maybe not using it? Or are you brand new newbie to LinkedIn? And if so, welcome to the party. It's a great platform. Please leave me a comment, hit the like button. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified every time we release new content. Also, if you would like to join our private community, head over to Facebook and join the Acquire group. It's a great place to ask questions and connect with other entrepreneurs, and we would love to see you over there. Thanks so much, everyone.